Let's uncover the financial secrets the rich rarely talk about, the strategies, mindsets, and systems they use to grow and protect their wealth. These aren't just tips, they're the foundations of financial success that most people overlook. Let's dive in and make these secrets accessible and actionable for you. First, the rich understand the power of compounding. It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. They invest early and let time do the heavy lifting. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or businesses, they understand that a dollar invested today is worth far more than a dollar spent. For example, $500 a month invested in an index fund earning an average of 8% can grow to over $1.2 million in 30 years. The rich take advantage of this exponential growth and they prioritize long-term investments over quick wins. Another secret is leveraging other people's money OPM. This doesn't mean borrowing recklessly, it means using debt strategically to build wealth. Take real estate, for example. A wealthy person might use a mortgage to purchase a property, rent it out for passive income, and let the tenant essentially pay off the loan over time. The rich see debt as a tool, not a trap, and they use it to create opportunities that generate more income. They also protect their wealth through diversification. The rich don't put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their investments across multiple asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, private equity, and sometimes even collectibles like art or rare coins. This way, if one sector takes a hit, the others can cushion the blow. Diversification reduces risk and ensures their wealth isn't wiped out by a single bad investment. Another hidden gem is understanding tax laws and using them to their advantage. The rich don't avoid taxes illegally, they avoid paying more than they have to by knowing the system. They use tax advantage accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or HSAs. They invest in assets that provide tax benefits like real estate, which offers depreciation. They might even create businesses to take advantage of deductions for expenses like travel, meals, and home offices. The secret isn't cheating the system, it's knowing the system. Wealthy people also value ownership over consumption. While many people spend their money on depreciating assets like cars, gadgets, or luxury items, the rich prioritize owning income-generating assets. Instead of buying a fancy car first, they'll buy a rental property or invest in stocks that generate dividends. The income from those investments can then pay for luxuries without depleting their net worth. One of the most overlooked secrets is the importance of financial literacy. The rich make it a priority to understand money, how it works, how to grow it, and how to protect it. They read books, attend seminars, and hire experts like financial advisors, accountants, and lawyers. They treat financial knowledge as an investment, and it pays dividends in their decision-making. Networking is another untold secret. The rich build relationships with other successful people who can provide advice, opportunities, or partnerships. They know the value of connections, whether it's finding a business mentor, securing funding for a project, or learning from someone else's mistakes. Their network becomes their net worth. The rich also have a different relationship with risk. They don't shy away from it, they manage it. While most people avoid risk altogether, the wealthy take calculated risks. They research, plan, and sometimes fail, but they learn from those failures and come back stronger. Risk is often where the greatest rewards lie, and the rich embrace this fact. Here's another thing they don't tell you. The rich don't just focus on making money, they focus on keeping it. This means living below their means, even when they could afford to splurge. They understand the difference between looking rich and being rich. Someone driving a modest car and living in a humble home might have millions in the bank, while someone flaunting a luxury lifestyle might be drowning in debt. The rich prioritize financial independence over appearances. They also set up systems to ensure their wealth outlives them. Estate planning, trusts, and wills are tools the wealthy use to pass on their assets while minimizing taxes and legal fees. This is why wealth often runs in families. It's not just about creating wealth, it's about preserving it for future generations. Another overlooked practice is giving. Many wealthy individuals donate significant portions of their income to charities or causes they believe in. This isn't just about philanthropy, it's also a strategy. Giving can provide tax benefits, build goodwill, and even open doors to new opportunities. More importantly, it keeps them grounded and reminds them of their why. Wealthy people also understand the importance of time. They don't try to do everything themselves. They outsource tasks that aren't worth their time, whether it's hiring a house cleaner, a virtual assistant, or even a wealth manager. This frees them up to focus on high-impact activities that grow their wealth even further. Another secret is their focus on cash flow. While many people focus solely on saving money, the rich focus on increasing their income streams. This could be through rental properties, dividends, businesses, or side hustles. The goal isn't just to save more, but to create a continuous flow of money coming in, so they're never dependent on a single source. One key principle they follow is the value of investing in themselves. The rich are lifelong learners. They spend a significant portion of their income not just on traditional investments, but also on education, personal development, and skills acquisition. Whether it's hiring a coach, attending seminars, or pursuing certifications, they're constantly investing in their ability to earn more and make smarter financial decisions. This mentality shifts the focus from working for money to letting money work for you by improving your most valuable asset, yourself. The rich also know the importance of creating multiple income streams. They don't rely on just one job or one business. Instead, they find ways to create several income streams, whether it's through investments, side businesses, royalties, or passive income sources. This reduces their financial risk and helps them grow their wealth exponentially. This might seem like a lofty goal, but it can start small, whether you invest in stocks, start a blog, or rent out a property. The more streams of income you have, the more resilient you become to financial challenges. Smart debt management is another crucial element of the rich's financial strategy. While they use debt as a tool, they're also highly strategic about it. They leverage low-interest debt to acquire appreciating assets such as real estate or businesses, but they avoid high-interest consumer debt like credit cards. The rich understand that not all debt is created equal, and using debt wisely can lead to substantial wealth creation. They have a clear plan to pay off bad debt and maximize the value of good debt. One aspect that often goes unnoticed is their focus on systems, not goals. While many of us set New Year's resolutions or annual goals, the rich create systems that enable them to reach their goals automatically. For example, instead of setting a goal to save $10,000, they build a system of automatic savings, investing a set percentage of their income each month, or setting up automatic payments to pay down debt. This means they don't rely on willpower alone to reach their goals. They design systems that make success inevitable. The rich also embrace the power of automation in managing their wealth. Technology like robo-advisors, budgeting apps, and automated investing platforms allows them to put their money to work without much effort. The more they automate, the less they have to think about their finances, freeing them up to focus on higher-value tasks. Automation also reduces the risk of human error, ensuring that savings and investments happen consistently. Another underappreciated secret is their use of leverage in business. The wealthy often own businesses that create value for others. But they don't work in the business, they work on it. By building systems, delegating responsibilities, and hiring the right people, they can scale their businesses and increase revenue without being tied to a desk. They understand that owning a business is one of the most efficient ways to create wealth, as it opens up tax advantages, income streams, and the ability to sell or scale. Lastly, the wealthy have a deep understanding of inflation and how to hedge against it. They don't just save money in a bank account where it loses value over time due to inflation. Instead, they invest in assets that tend to appreciate over time: stocks, real estate, precious metals, and even collectibles. They understand that money sitting idle loses purchasing power, so they make it work by investing it in inflation-resistant assets. All of these strategies, mindsets, and actions compound over time to create a financial empire. The rich don't just get rich overnight, they make intentional, informed decisions every day that contribute to their growing wealth. And now that you know their secrets, you can begin to apply these principles in your own life. It won't happen all at once, but with consistency, discipline, and the right mindset, you can unlock the financial freedom you've always dreamed of.